Shauna oversees tour guides at a community college. Each week, she selects one day to record the number of tours each guide leads for prospective students. The results from last week are presented in the box. By the way, sometimes I call this, which Edmentum calls the box plot, a box and whisker plot, just so you know if I accidentally slip. The data for the week is shown below and gives the number of tours led by each tour guide. If you're following along with me, I recommend that you write those down. Pause the video and write down all of that data, because I'm going to pull my iPad away and we're going to list that data in order. I have it written down on my notebook paper already, and we want to list it. So our first value is 2. Then I see 3 3s, a 4, 2 5s, a 6, 2 7s, and then 9 and 10. By the way, originally we had 1, 2, 3. Here is we're going to have to find the minimum. We're going to have to find the maximum. We're going to have to find the first quartile, and we're going to have to find the third quartile to find the third quartile. And then we're going to have to draw, eventually we're going to draw our picture, and it should be interesting. Because I've only done it on the computer, I haven't tried it on the iPad. But anyway, the maximum value is 10. And I know I skipped over the median. But what happens is, again, we have 12 pieces of data. So because it's an even number of data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need those, but you take the average of these, which means you add those two together and divide by 2. But since they're the same number, we will get 5. Our quartile 1 is going to be looking at the first 6 pieces of data, split in half here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go to the 2 middle values. And again, we would average them if they're different, but they happen to be the same. And do the same thing here. 1, 2 pieces, they happen to be the same. Otherwise, we average them together. So now that we have all of that information, we are going to draw in our picture. And I thought that Edmentum did a good job. I wrote particular notes that I'm going to kind of... But what it said, first of all, is it said, draw 3 vertical lines. We're going to draw a line at, oh, I can't read my writing, at Q1. Well, Q1, oh dear, is at 3. So it's already drawn for us. Then we're going to draw a vertical line at the median. We had our median at 5. We just found that. So I'm going to try to do that here. So there's our median at 5. Then we're going to draw another vertical line at our third quartile, Q3, which is at 7. So there is that. Remember that we're making this box plot here, so we're going to connect those. There. And then finally, to finish this, we get our other whisker, so to speak, because we have the left-hand whisker, so we're going to get the right whisker. Our maximum value is going to have a point at 10. So I'm going to use my point here and hit it at 10. And then I'm going to draw that segment, if I can, to 10. Whoops, it didn't connect here. Let's try one more time. Shoot. Third time's a charm. And I don't know why it won't connect, but you see what I'm doing here. I will try one more time, but the video is getting long because I can't get this drawn in here. But it should have the whisker right there. That should turn red. I don't know why it's not, but you get the idea. And that's the answer to the problem.